Yeah, so this video will be conducted in two series now on Ho'oponopono by Mona Simeona, because what happened was somehow it got disconnected. Anyway, so I was saying that I was finding bits and pieces of information on the internet here and there randomly, but I did not find it in depth, and something inside of me was saying that there's something more to this, because I already been practicing Ho'oponopono by that time, almost for one and a half year then by that time. And let me tell you, during that time, that period of my life was very, very difficult. I was going through a lot at that time. I did not start my pain body meditation and all, and it only happened after Mona Simeona. I will give you the insights of it later on. So I was kind of doing a lot of so the religion I belong from, I was doing a lot of fastings as per that religion, and like continuously I was doing a lot of fasting and all. And what happened after that was, suddenly I was reading articles multiple times on Ho'oponopono, because something felt really very, very missing, and I kept on reading, and I found this one page on Google. Somehow that page is no more there here, and it was there back in the time in 2024, but right now it's not there. So what happened was, and it happens in such a magical way, because that page was removed somehow after I found out that page, and it was about a narcissist and an empath, um, and how that dynamic is co-created by both of them, and how Ho'oponopono helps heal that. And with me, it was a huge pattern of me attracting a lot of like, now I have the words in the hindsight, but back in the time I did not understand it. But this was a repetitive pattern for me of attracting people who are controlling and dominating, trying to control my life, and spreading narratives, gossips. And even like when I was being successful in my career, or in my in my college days or in my school days and all, like I was attracting these repetitive patterns, and I did not know back in the day whatever was happening. When I went through my own spiritual awakening and dark night of the soul, that time everything just started coming out. And what happened was so I am downstairs right now, so that is why you will see me looking here and there once in a while. Anyway, so what happened was, once I started doing the research, I found out this page on Google about Mona Simeona, not Mona Simeona, about narcissist and empath ka relationship, and how Ho'oponopono can heal that. So I was trying to find out more details of it, because as I told you, some the teachers, they were saying like kabhi kabhi chalta hai, kabhi kabhi nahi chalta hai. So I was like, ye to tukke pe ho gaya, how can I get the exact results of it? So then I started reading that article, and I was coming to that article multiple times. So almost for 1 or 2 months I was reading that article multiple times. I was like, something is missing, am I missing something? Because why is it that Dr. Yulin was able to get the results while others are able to get, some are not able to get? Like, what is it? Like, I was not getting the full information about it. So then, and I also felt that why for the 4 phases they are conducting these kind of courses, and teachers, like they're selling courses for the 4 phases. Like, I love you, thank you, so koi bhi bol sakta hai. Like, what is the deep, like I wanted to understand the deeper insights of it. So that is how I started finding so I went on the last on the last part of the page of Ho'oponopono, and when I went at the last part of the page, there was this one person who was writing that this is not the true story, Dr. Yulin ka. There are some more things on it, and the part was that Mona Simeona ka Ho'oponopono is what this Dr. Yulin was practicing, and not during the Hawaii State incident, and that's how he got the results, not by the 4 phases. This is what that page was saying. So then there was the name of the book. The name of the book was the Pacifica Seminars, the Coronation of Consciousness by the Pacifica Seminars, Michael Mickley. And also IZI LLC का भी नाम लिखा हुआ था उस पर, about IZI LLC India के वहाँ से भी हम लोग सीख सकते हैं the 12-step process that Mona had kept, and then it got advanced into 14-step process. by Mona Simona, Ho'oponopono. So then I went, like, I was like, oh my god, like, this is what I was searching for. This is what I was searching for. I was that into that zone कि हाँ यही था, मैं इसको ही ढूंढ रही थी कब से, और finally मुझे मिल गया. So for me it was almost that moment. And then what happened was I started, I directly went to that page and I started, doing the research, and I found out one more YouTuber, Rainbow Flow, RAIN, Rainbow, BOW, Rainbow Flow, FLO, Rainbow Flow videos on, the 12-step process. And I finally got the documents, the 12-step process ka, and from her page. And then I started doing Ho'oponopono by Mona Simona. And immediately after that, a lot of things, that I had suppressed for so much time, it came out. And like right now, I'm able to, I'm in a very healthy space now. I was able to recover from it very fast. Like I've been doing this Ho'oponopono for almost, I guess, from 2024 August. So now it is 2026 March. Almost for 2 years now. Like it will be like I think 1.5 years I've been doing this work now. And before that, my inner work journey had already started by. So it happened in a very staggered way, to be honest. So 2021 was when I started doing my yoga, and I started seeing a lot of changes in my own life. I was attracting very healthy people once I started doing my inner work around yoga. Then I was got to, Ho'oponopono by Mona Simona. Then I was doing some of the, Reiki practices and all by one of my, fellow professional I knew in my circle. So she was conducting Reiki sessions, and also I kind of got one Reiki session done from her, and my chakras and all got balanced over there too. And then I was showing up in a very confident way. I was actually posting a lot of videos also on Instagram. I had my own page back then, and yeah, that is how things were. And then I went, started doing some pain body meditation. I did not know the name of the meditation was pain body meditation. It was one of like that only. And I was doing a lot of self-concept work also, but then there was a lot of deeper layers that were not getting released. I felt that the same repetitive pattern was showing up with different people, and there was a lot of anxiety also that were coming, not anxiety, but there was a lot of emotional energy that was there inside of me, and I did not know how to label it properly. So then I started my own journey of trying to find it out, and then I started fasting and all, and that's how I found Mona Simona. And then the 12-step process and the 14-step process, the latest updated one version is the Coronation of Consciousness by Mona Simona, Michael Nicolai, Pacifica Seminars, Germany. If you want to order that book, you have to go to that website. I'm linking it down. And then I found the Keala Okalani. This is a group of teachers who have actually learned from Mona Simona herself, and they're kind of conducting sessions for free for the other students. So the souls that are being called to and asked to do this work. So like I got to know them, and then I started going and attending their session. And then they had 2 days ka theory lectures and all, and then every month on, I guess, the third Tuesday or second Tuesday, I don't remember right now, but they have sessions where in group settings we kind of do Ho'oponopono together. So I'll link that website also in the description box for your reference if you want to use that. And that's how things changed. Like in the past 2-3 years when I started doing Ho'oponopono by Mona Simona, I cannot even tell you, like there are some patterns that are still going on, but that there's a sense of surrender that I felt happen inside of me. Before that, all the practices were very spiritual, they were great, but I did not feel that surrender wala part was there. And now even when I'm seated here, if you see, like I'm seated on a chair right now, I think you cannot see, yeah, like you can see now. So I feel that I can sit in a very relaxed way now. There's no form of anxiety, or not anxiety, but there's no form of fear inside of me when I'm seated here. Before I used to hover on the seat or completely in a fight or flight mode, but now with the practices like Ho'oponopono by Mona Simona, my life has changed immensely. And of course I'll be sharing a lot of success stories that I had after doing Ho'oponopono 4 phases, and then after doing finally Ho'oponopono by Mona Simona. I saw a lot of my relationships changing very fast. Some of them turned around and became really very nice to me, and there were cases when those people just fell away, like something or the other happened either from my end or from their end. Like sometimes I removed myself from that environment, or sometimes they removed themselves from my environment, and things just somehow were taken care of properly. So yeah, this is there, and this is how the things were. And of course, after doing this layer of Ho'oponopono by Mona Simeona, what I saw was there were several other teachers that started coming up in my life. There was that I had to go deeper into this, and that is why I said in my short introductory videos also that I'm going to take you to this journey in a very this way, in a very systematic way, because I found the tools in a very systematic way, and it was layer by layer that I got the answers. And yeah, that's how things were for me. And if you all have any kind of questions, you can ask me anytime you want. And so after this, there were certain modalities that I went through. The journey did not end here, of course. With Mona Simeona ka Ho'oponopono, I had to learn the external communication scripts, then the internal boundary spacing, then the other different feminine energy work. And in the feminine energy community also, I feel that right now in the online space there's a lot of shenanigans, a lot of nonsense, unnecessary, or maybe not unnecessary, but there's a lot of bust where teachers do not even know what they are talking about. And I kind of went and I studied from multiple teachers, and I found out a proper toolkit that worked for me. And of course, I'll share the tools and resources here with you, all of you. So yes, thank you so much for joining me on. Bye bye. If there's any questions, you all can ask me on the comment section. And if at all you want to refer to the materials that I've shared of Pacifica Seminars Germany or the Kiala Kalani videos and their community, you can see the description box below, and you can find the links to their websites and go and check them out. And of course, for Kiala Kalani, you have to pre-register yourself with them, book a session in advance. I think it's in April, in April there will be sessions that will be conducted by them. And yeah, and the other book, The Coronation of Consciousness by Pacifica Seminars Germany, it is all available in material form. There is a home study course that you have to do it by yourself, and I will be talking about it in details in the next videos. So yes, this is one thing. And if you want to find out the 12-step process also, the ready-made material of it, it is available on Rainbow Flow channel. That also I am linking it down in the description. These are the resources for the current videos, and let's see how it goes. I'm planning to be as fluent as I can. There's no filters on this video, not for my face, not on my on how I'm speaking, what I'm speaking. There's no filters, and I'm putting it out. And because I created this space, like this page, in such a way that only the like-minded people, only the people who are in resonance with us can find this work, this inner work page. And I feel that there's a certain kind of audience, there's a certain kind of consciousness, people that will be joining us here. So I don't have to worry about the the toxic dynamics or anything like that. So yeah, this is all I have to say on this video. It's a long video now, by 13 minutes. Chalo, bye bye. Thank you.